Today is Disney Day. This is the hotel room. Meron silang parang mini convenience store here na puro vending machines. Tapos we're just falling in line kasi meron kaming free shuttle to the bus station. So yan, yun yung lobby nila. So excited. I booked an early pass kasi lesson learned from the previous USS kasi sobrang tagal naming naghintay sa mga rides and we barely even ridden any ride. Yeah, right now I'm drinking this. Fun fact, most of their like drinks, even yung naka-bottle, hindi siya sweetened. So if may ka sa tea na walang sweets or walang sugar, magugustuhan mo. Pero this one is what I want because it's refreshing. So ayun, we're just waiting for the shuttle. And I think we're gonna eat first before heading there. Sister and I are gonna go together. Kasi nag-early pass kami, like what I said kanina, and sila mom nandun pa sa station. Oh my God! We're here! We thought we're gonna run. Yeah, we are. Pila. Ang dami na ring tao kahit early pass, guys. Thank you, Lord, talaga. Maganda yung weather. Whee! Hindi pa bukas. Pawis na ako. That's what you call dedication. We're gonna enter na 9 a.m. na. Two of us. Saan ka sa soft-looking here? Pass. We're in! I think everyone is going there.
We gotta go first.
Alam mo yung inside out dito, guys. Oh my God! Ang layo, B! We're going to Arendelle. Five minutes ng waiting time dito, guys. Sorry na yung haggard, pero tumakbo kami ni Abby to here. Whee! Woo! Alright, so first ride, it was so fast. Parang wala pang 2 minutes yun. So yun, pupunta na kami ngayon sa Frozen Ever After. Hopefully, mas matagal yun. Nawala na yung pawis ko, guys, kasi nga sobrang nagtatakbuhan kami ni Abs. Tas yung loob naman ng mga is aircon. Hi, Marie! Kasi ito yung one of their top attractions right now. Nawala na yung kulot ko. Haggard na.
Remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs.
Let's go!
So, naligaw-ligaw kami ni Abby. And now we're here na sa Toy Story Land. It was so, for me, hard to navigate the maps. Kasi ang bagal gumalaw nung pointer.
My strength we've got a whole bunch of new toys to play with.
Na tayo. Unahin natin si Drop.
Recruit and 安全带. All right, recruit.
Waiting kami. 4-minute wait. Haggard na ako guys. As in, sobrang pawis na. A.m. kaka-open pa lang ng park and we're like the first 246 in here. So guys, super sulit na early pass. Medyo expensive lang siya, pero worth it siya in my opinion.
Because it saves time. Plus you could
It
use that
saves
time
time.
instead for like pictures.
Yeah, literally, like you're paying for the time that you have here. Ang layong lakaran. Yeah, andiyan kami sasakay guys. Slay. Geyser.
This is so cool. Parang nasa loob.
Wala pang pila, pero mamaya meron na yan. First kami, grabe na. After na, tasan tayo?
Hyper. Manor, tas hyper.
Okay. I was like, what is gonna happen? Basta? Basta? Okay, we're going back. Oh. Ayos, ayos. Next on the list, Mystic Manor. I don't know what to expect here. Pero mukhang maganda siya. Hi! We're in! We're just gonna be making pila na for sure hindi naman gaan. Buti nasakyan na natin yon. If ever man umulan mamaya, nasakyan na natin yung outdoors. There's like a house.
Just looking for. Oh, there's the music box I told you about. I must find my little friend.
Parang it's gonna rain, so unahin muna namin yung outdoor. Slinky! Grabe, first hour pa lang, pagod na kami. Nag-enjoy pa ako, guys. Bibili muna kami ng ice cream nila. What do you want? Ito, tsaka ito. Try muna natin.
Is that strawberry?
This one?
Yes.
Strawberry, mango, and chocolate.
Ayan, yan.
What about this one?
This is
Chocolate.
chocolate and chocolate.
Okay.
Anong gusto mo? Ako to.
Ako din dito.
Eh, magkaiba dapat.
I don't want to get chocolate.
Ah, sige, dalawa.
Two of this.
Two of this.
Yeah.
Spicy.
Got this one. Each is 45 Hong Kong dollars. I wanna open it first. Hold on. I'm gonna try this. Ang lamig ng CR nila. This is it.
It tastes good.
So, girl, you tasted without me. Sakit na agad na lalamunan ko.
What streaming did you do?
Binubuko ko na nga lang yung screen ko para hindi masakit.
Maharap.
The chocolate is good. It's worth 45. Mr. Potato Head. Cute na ito. Unahin muna namin ngayon yung teacups kasi nandito na rin naman. Hi guys! So, punta na kami ngayon sa Hyperspace Mountain. Finally! It's one of my favorite rides here. Kasi as a thrill girly, this is my go-to. Haba ng pila na.
It's our first goddamn real line.
20 minutes. Our next itinerary is this one. It's one of their new rides. Ayun, so pipila lang kami doon. Feeling ko hindi naman gaano kahaba yung pila. Pero kasi meron silang show na 11:45. Ayun, Iron Man experience. Tapos meron ding Ant-Man and the Wasp. What do you wanna do? Iron Man? Or ito? Iron Man na lang tayo. Walang nakapila. So, dito kami ngayon. Nahihilo na kami dun sa kanina. Nobi, like nakakasuka yung hyperspace kasi di ba nag-ice cream kami. So, I think hindi kami nakapag-digest well. Walang one. We're gonna watch. Wow!
Nice work. Let's get you back to the expo.
I'm gonna go.
Join us now as we embark on a journey.
It's raining right now and I think we're both going to buy food muna kasi I'm starving. Are you?
Yeah.
Saan yung ibang ano? Ano?
Let's buy that one, the big one, so we at least get like some food.
Alin?
Ayun na yung
60?
hawak niya. Yung hawak.
Ayun, yung gano'n?
kinakat niya yung ano. Oo.
Ah, waffle. Sige, sige. Dito waffle. Ang bibili namin, try namin yung popcorn nila. Tsaka yung bubble na egg puff. Sige mo, one popcorn.
One caramel popcorn and the bubble egg puff.
got fish and chips with chicken nuggets. Kasi sobrang gutom na kami. And pasensya na kayo guys, na-afford namin na lugar. Walang aircon, walang kuryente. Like literally yan lang yung kuryente namin. Tapos merong isang free na Sprite. We just ordered one kasi yeah, we're gonna eat dinner later. This is what we're gonna have before the Momentos. Tapos, ayan, we got tartar and ketchup, of course. So, yeah, let's eat! Goodbye, Disney. See you in a lot of years. We want to be old when we come back. So.